The number 4.8 is how much greater than the number negative 5.2 is greater. So to calculate how much this number is greater than this number, we have to use subtraction. From the greater number, we subtract smaller, negative 5.2. So this is equal negative and negative. Like I said before, two negative signs build one positive sign. So instead of two negative, you can write positive, or you can memorize that when we have to subtract rational numbers, we use the same rule like for subtracting integers. So we copy first number and we add its opposite. So negative subtraction we change to addition, and opposite to negative 5.2 is positive 5.2. We don't have to write another positive sign. So like I said, two negatives build one positive. Memorize this. And now we have 4.8 plus 5.2. Addition, decimal numbers. So we start from the last column. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we write 0 and 1 we add to one's column. Decimal point we copy. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 5 is 10. This is my solution.